Dark circles under the eyes are like uninvited guests. They show up unexpectedly, refuse to leave, and make you look tired even when you've had a full 8 hours of sleep. While many factors contribute to their persistence, including genetics, lack of sleep, stress, and even sun exposure, you don't need to rely on expensive treatments or concealers to manage them. In this video, we'll explore 10 proven natural remedies for dark circles to help you achieve brighter, healthier under-eye skin. Number 10. Cold compress. A quick chill for tired eyes. Let's face it, sometimes all you need is a quick fix for those dark circles, especially when you've got an important meeting or a date. Enter the cold compress, your instant remedy for puffiness and discoloration. Cold therapy works by constricting blood vessels, reducing swelling, and giving your eyes a refreshed look in minutes. You don't need fancy gadgets for this. A simple cloth-wrapped ice cube will do the trick. Alternatively, you can use chilled spoons or cucumber slices if you're feeling fancy. The cold helps stimulate lymphatic drainage, clearing out fluid buildup and minimizing those pesky dark circles. It's like giving your eyes a mini spa treatment without leaving home. Number 9. Tea bags, not just for your morning cup. Who knew that your love for tea could help banish dark circles? Tea bags, especially green or black ones, are rich in antioxidants and caffeine, making them a secret weapon against under-eye woes. After brewing your tea, don't toss those bags away. Instead, chill them in the refrigerator and place them over your closed eyes for 20 minutes. The caffeine in tea constricts blood vessels, reducing puffiness and improving circulation in the under-eye area. Antioxidants help combat free radicals, which can otherwise worsen pigmentation. This remedy is perfect for anyone who enjoys multitasking. Your tea relaxes your mind while the tea bags work their magic on your skin. Number 8. Almond oil, a natural elixir for skin. Almond oil is like liquid gold for your skin, especially when it comes to dealing with dark circles. Packed with vitamin E, almond oil nourishes and hydrates the delicate skin under your eyes, reducing the appearance of pigmentation over time. To use it, gently massage a few drops under your eyes every night before bed, allowing it to work overnight. Regular application can improve skin elasticity and repair damage caused by environmental factors. For an added boost, mix a drop or two of rose water with the oil for enhanced hydration. Over time, this remedy doesn't just lighten dark circles, it gives your skin a youthful glow. Number 7. Cucumber slices, the classic remedy that works. If you've ever watched a movie where someone is lounging with cucumber slices over their eyes, you know this remedy is a classic. But it's not just a Hollywood trope. Cucumbers are genuinely effective against dark circles. Rich in water content and antioxidants, cucumbers help hydrate and rejuvenate tired skin. Simply place chilled cucumber slices over your eyes for about 10 minutes and let their natural cooling effect work wonders. Alternatively, you can blend cucumbers into a juice and soak cotton pads in it for a more concentrated treatment. Their high levels of vitamin C and silica also promote collagen production, making your skin appear firmer and brighter. Number 6. Potato juice, an unexpected brightening agent. While potatoes are often relegated to fries and chips, they deserve a place in your skincare routine, especially if you're battling dark circles. Potatoes contain natural bleaching agents and catecholase enzymes that help lighten pigmentation. To use this remedy, grate a raw potato, extract its juice, and soak cotton pads in it. Place the pads under your eyes for 15 minutes before rinsing with cold water. The antioxidants in potatoes also help reduce inflammation and soothe tired skin. Sure, you might smell like a potato for a while, but the brighter under-eye area will make it worth the effort. Number 5. Aloe vera gel, nature's soothing gift. Aloe vera isn't just for sunburns. It's a miracle worker for your skin, especially the delicate area under your eyes. Rich in vitamins, enzymes, and antioxidants, aloe vera gel hydrates the skin, reduces puffiness, and improves elasticity. To use it, apply a thin layer of fresh aloe vera gel under your eyes before bedtime and let it work its magic overnight. In the morning, rinse it off with cool water. Regular use can diminish the appearance of dark circles, leaving your skin looking and feeling revitalized. If you have an aloe plant at home, you can extract the gel directly from the leaf for maximum benefits. Number 4. Tomato and lemon juice, the brightening duo. Tomatoes are not just a kitchen staple, they're a powerhouse of natural skincare, especially when it comes to tackling stubborn dark circles. Packed with lycopene, a potent antioxidant, tomatoes help neutralize free radicals, improve blood circulation, and reduce pigmentation under the eyes. When combined with the natural bleaching properties of lemon juice, the results are even more impressive, creating a brightening cocktail that can visibly lighten dark spots. To use this remedy, mix a teaspoon of fresh tomato juice with a few drops of lemon juice and gently apply it under your eyes using a cotton ball. Leave it on for about 10 minutes, allowing the nutrients to penetrate the skin before rinsing off with cool water. While this remedy is highly effective, it requires caution. Lemon juice can be harsh on sensitive skin, so always conduct a patch test beforehand and avoid applying the mixture if you've recently exfoliated or have irritated skin. Used consistently, this duo can give your under-eye area a fresher, more even-toned appearance. Number 3. Cold milk, gentle and effective. Cold milk is a timeless remedy for soothing and brightening tired skin, making it a go-to for generations seeking natural skincare solutions. Its lactic acid content helps exfoliate dead skin cells, encouraging cell renewal, while its cooling effect reduces puffiness, irritation, and the appearance of dark circles. To reap its benefits, soak cotton pads in chilled milk and place them over your eyes for 15 minutes, letting the lactic acid gently brighten and hydrate your skin. This simple yet effective remedy can lighten dark circles and leave your skin feeling soft, supple, and refreshed. For an extra touch of indulgence, use full-fat milk, which provides additional nourishment and locks in moisture for a healthy, glowing look. It's like giving your skin a luxurious spa-like treat in the comfort of your home. Perfect for those self-care moments when you need to relax and recharge. Number 2. Rose water, a fragrant elixir for tired eyes. Rose water isn't just a beauty staple. It's a soothing remedy for under-eye concerns with centuries of use in skincare routines around the world. Known for its anti-inflammatory and astringent properties, rose water can tone and refresh the delicate skin under your eyes, while its natural aroma calms your senses. Soak cotton pads in chilled rose water and place them over your eyes for 15 minutes, allowing the hydration and cooling effect to work wonders on tired skin. This treatment not only reduces puffiness and dark circles, but also leaves you feeling rejuvenated and refreshed. For a refreshing midday pick-me-up, keep a spray bottle of rose water in your bag and mist it on your face whenever you need a quick glow or a burst of hydration during a hectic day. Number 1. Sleep and hydration, the foundation of healthy skin. No matter how many remedies you try, nothing beats the power of proper sleep and hydration. These are the cornerstones of radiant, healthy skin. Dark circles are often a sign of fatigue and dehydration, so addressing these root causes is not just crucial but non-negotiable for long-term results. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night, and try elevating your head with an extra pillow to prevent fluid buildup under your eyes, which can lead to puffiness and discoloration. Staying hydrated is equally important. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your skin plump, elastic, and glowing. Hydration also flushes out toxins, improving overall skin texture and tone. Think of sleep and hydration as the foundation of your skincare routine. Without them, even the best remedies or serums will only offer temporary results, leaving you chasing solutions for a problem that could be easily fixed with consistency. And that's a wrap, folks. Now you're armed with all the tricks to say goodbye to those dark circles and hello to brighter days. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Stay glowing, stay fabulous, and I'll see you in the next one.